Publishing product on Shopify from Zendrop is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can publish your Zendrop products on Shopify. So the process is pretty simple. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. I'm just going to search for Shopify, and after searching for Shopify, we'll go to shopify.com. And the shopify.com, I'll simply log into my account. Now after logging in, I will easily be able to see the dashboard of your website. After seeing the dashboard, what you have to do is you simply have to click on this add apps. Now after clicking on add apps, you have to click on this Shopify app store. It will open up the app store. Now here, as you guys can see, you'll be able to find the Zendrop right here. If you cannot find it, just search for Zendrop. Now what you have to do is simply have to install the Zendrop into your Shopify. After installing it, it will be here as you guys can see in the apps. But currently I haven't installed it, so I won't be able to say. You just have to go to your Zendrop, and in your Zendrop there should be an option to link your account. Obviously, in order to link the accounts, you have to give full access of Shopify store to Zendrop. After giving the full access, Zendrop will easily be able to publish or list their products into your Shopify store without any problems. You just have to select the product, and you'll easily be able to publish it from the Zendrop right here on this page. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.